Hi everyone, today we're going to see how we can create a custom drop-down list. In my previous video, I explained to you how we can create a drop-down list from a cells using a formula, right? If you don't watch the video, check out my profile. Okay, so in this video, I'll explain to you how we can create the custom drop-down list. For that, you need to go to data. You need to click data validation, click on data validation, then click here, click list. Now instead of selecting the cells here, you need to enter manually. Now I'm going to enter the payment status. Okay, so I'll mention paid. After that, you need to put comma, you'll mention due. Third, you can mention not paid and click OK. So you can see here the drop down list has been created, right? So here if you click it, so it selects as paid. You can just copy this and paste it everywhere. Now the drop down list has been created. Now manually you can enter each one by one by clicking here. You can mention due, you can mention not paid, etc, etc, etc. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.